Hello friends, welcome to my video about how to work the project for this lesson. So if you are a student, you will go to the Student tab, and if you are a teacher, you will go to the Teacher tab. But let's go ahead and go over to the Students. Alright, so you are going to click on this right here and click on the link to go to the PowerPoint. As you go through, make sure that you are looking for anything that looks like this, whether it be the pointer or a bigger little picture image right here. So this one is asking you to click on this to watch the read aloud video. When you do that, it'll pop up right here. All right, and then the next slide, what do you know? You are going to be answering these following questions on our Flipgrid. When you want to go to our Flipgrid, you can click right here, or you can click down here, and it will take you to the Flipgrid. So if you click on this topic, what do you know? You will see that I have included an example of how you will answer these questions. Next, we have the virtual exploration. In this video, you will learn about different types of soil. Please make sure you read this right here. It asks you to start the video at 2 minutes and 11 seconds. So you're going to click here.
Let's take a look.
And it'll pop up. You will go to 2 minutes. Oh, I forgot. So I'm going to go back. 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Do you see how it says 2:11? So I will start playing it from there. On the next slide, we have an outside exploration. So it's your turn to explore some dirt or soil. Right here, we are asking to add a picture of your soiled hands to the Padlet link. So you click right over here, and it will pop up our classroom wall. So if you click on mine or zoom in on mine, you will see that this is a picture of my hands after I played in the soil. Now, notice how I typed something here. Well, on the next few slides, you will answer this question right here. It says, what soil was in your yard? And the link again is provided, so that way if you need to go in and add this, all you have to do is hit edit on your own post and type it in right here at the bottom. Going back to our presentation after you did your outside, next we will be doing an explanation of what these different kinds of soils are based on the Brain Pop video. Please make sure you pay very close attention to how these soils are described. Some may be sticky and grainy, some may be wet, some may be dry. Please make sure you read all of these. Next is our elaboration. So we're going to take a farther look into the different types of soils. As you explore this, please make sure to click here so you can see where the different types of soils are located. You can see how each of the soil is shown, and it tells you exactly where it is located. Loam soil can be found where plants grow. An example is a farm where farmers grow many types of plants, crops, or trees. Sand soil can be found in deserts where there is not a lot of water. Sand can be found on the beach. And lastly, clay. Clay can be found near small bodies of water, such as rivers and ponds. So we're going to go back and go on to the next slide where you will be evaluated, meaning that I want to see what you know. So if you click on the little clicker right here, it's going to take you to our quiz on Google Forms. And if you click on this clicker, it'll show you how you will be graded through a checklist. So first, let's go see let's go see what the Google form looks like. So you can see that there are many different questions that you will answer, and make sure that you hit submit down at the bottom. When you click on this one, it'll take you to what our grading checklist will look like. So you will be graded on if you know what the different types of soil look like, what the different types of soil feel like, the color of the soils, and whether or not you did a Flipgrid or a Padlet. All right, and when we are done with this, we're going to go back to our folder, and here you will find the same information that we just saw. So the student instructions right here. This is everything that you will do during this lesson plan. You're going to start off by watching this video right here. Then you're going to go through each slide with a parent to learn more information. The first slide shows the read aloud about the book Dirt. Then you will be asked to answer the questions about what you know on our Flipgrid. Then you will watch the Brain Pop video explaining what exactly the different types of soils are. Then you will explore your yard and then learn about soils where you will find them. Take the quiz and review the checklist to see how you will be graded. Please remember that you should have an adult to help you with this. Going back, we will look at the grading checklist. Again, everything is listed right here. And when you are very, very, very done, you will go to the end here. Click on this, and then click on the picture, and it'll bring you directly to this as well. If you have any questions at all while you are doing this, please let me know. I am always here to help, and I hope you have so much fun learning more about soil. Bye.